Next step, we're taking it to the air fryer. I don't think that's a gesture. It's not. They don't do that in football. Hey, I'm Ali Carr, and this is Serve It. It's game day. What are you serving? We're cooking up a gorgeous, yummy, crispy calzone in the air fryer. It couldn't be easier. Today for our calzone, we're gonna make our homemade dough, but you could easily use store-bought, or better yet, grab some from your favorite pizzeria. Let's get mixing. I'm gonna add my cup of warm water right to the bowl. Didn't lose a drop. I feel like that's a touchdown, right? Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add our yeast. And let's mix this up. Give it just a couple minutes. Add dry ingredients. Get this mixing just a little bit before adding the rest. Teaspoon of salt, add the rest. Okay, once our dough has really all combined, we're gonna go ahead and pull it off our dough hook. Oh yeah. Now this is kind of fun to get it nice and formed. We're just gonna go ahead and give it a couple little tucks and folds underneath. Pop our dough in our bowl. We're gonna drizzle a little olive oil right on top. Rub it all over our dough, and then cover with a damp towel. We're gonna let this sit till it doubles in size. Okay, our dough has doubled in size, so we're gonna roll the dough out. Go ahead and flour your surface. You get your pre-game aggressions out on the dough, right? Give it a little, I like to kind of form it, stretch it a little bit with my hands before taking the rolling pin to it. All right, once you get this into a really nice rectangle, we're gonna divide it into 8 different pieces. Take each one, kind of fold it over and form a ball, and then let them sit for a little bit till they proof a little longer. I've gathered all my ingredients. Our pizza sauce, mozzarella, pepperoni, sauteed some vegetables, and olives. This is kind of fun. You get to decide, are you team pepperoni or team vegetable? All right, let's roll out our dough to make our football-shaped calzones. Put a little flour on each side. Roll these out to be about 6 inches by 3 inches. If you need to form it a little bit with your hands, feel free. We're gonna do 2 layers. Now you can go ahead and fill your calzones. So start with about a tablespoon of sauce. You don't wanna overfill these. Some mozzarella. All right, first team making its way to the field, pepperoni. I'm gonna put a little bit of extra. My son Henry and Violet love pepperoni. All right, we're gonna go ahead and top our calzone, putting both of them together. Create our football. That's a pretty good looking football. Seal our edges, cut a vent right down the center. Kind of looks like the stitches too. We've got one down. Let's make our veggie one. And so I can tell the difference between the pepperoni and the vegetable. We're gonna go with our vents the opposite way. Let's prep our calzones for the air fryer. We're gonna grab a little bit of olive oil and brush the top of our calzones. This also gives it a beautiful golden color. So not only will it be a game day favorite, it'll be best in show. Okay, our calzones are ready. Let's go ahead and get our fry baskets ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush a little bit of olive oil right on the bottom to keep them from sticking. Let's add our calzones to our air fryer. Set our air fryer for 375 for about 9 minutes. Okay, our calzones are ready. Let's take a look. Look how gorgeous that golden brown top is. Now you could serve these up whole if you'd like, but maybe you wanna make this more like an appetizer. You could easily slice these up. Oh, look at the veggie. That looks delicious. It looks good. The final test, how does it taste? Champion. We've got the champion right here. Oh my gosh. The crust has this nice crispiness to it, but inside everything is so delicious and gooey. We now have our game day champion. Oh, look at that. Delish. I'm about to devour this.